Hello everybody, welcome to my 5th month 9 progress video. This is interval 1-0-5. This is the morning after I played it in my live streams all day yesterday. I'm going to improvise with it for a few minutes here, show you what it looks like. I don't really have a complete idea for this, not nearly as much as all of the other ones, however, that's fine. We're going to play it as it is. Appreciate you guys for being here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you.